Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Amazon seller account health metrics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your Amazon seller account health metrics, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once logged in, navigate to the Performance tab located in the main menu. Click on the Account Health option from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a summary of your account health metrics. Take a moment to review the overall account health dashboard. This dashboard displays key performance indicators such as order defect rate and cancellation rate. Click on each metric for detailed information to understand your performance. Next, check the order defect rate. This metric measures the percentage of orders that have received negative feedback, returns, or A to Z guarantee claims. Ensure your order defect rate is below the 1% threshold specified by Amazon. Now, review your cancellation rate. This rate reflects the percentage of orders that you canceled compared to total orders received. Aim to keep your cancellation rate below 2.5%. The late dispatch rate is another critical metric to monitor. This measures the percentage of orders that ship after the promised ship date. Maintain a late dispatch rate below 4%. Next, examine your policy violations section to see if there are any issues that need addressing. Look out for performance notifications from Amazon. These notifications can indicate problems with your listings or other account-related issues. If you notice any concerning metrics, take immediate steps to resolve them. Consider optimizing your listing quality and responsiveness to improve your metrics. Make sure to monitor your metrics regularly to stay compliant with Amazon standards. Finally, utilize Amazon's resources in Seller University for additional guidance on improving your account health. Consistent monitoring and proactive measures are key to maintaining a healthy seller account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.